What's up, you guys? Here we are again, working on the K5 Blazer. Now, we're getting near the end of this Blazer, essentially. I still got a lot of work to do on it to put it back together. But one of the last things that I'm gonna show you guys, it's a little bit of a tech trip, is basically how to make corner gussets out of some of your leftover bins like this. So, as we know, I had to make some changes on this truck, so I had a handful of 2-inch 120 wall bins, right? So I just cut them with my bandsaw real quick so that I have about this. Ultimately, when we're done, it's going to be a pretty small version of this, and it's going to fit in the truck just like I'm going to show you right here. Right, and these bins are on my truck, and they're a gusset. They essentially reinforce the single contact point of a single tube, right? So they kind of spread that load out a little bit. And they're actually required by some of our sanctioning bodies in the off-road world, so it's pretty common for us. You can do just a plate gusset right there or whatever, but we like to do it like this. It actually looks pretty trick, and it's just a great way to reinforce your corners. So I'm going to show you guys that right now. That's what I'm going to show you how to do, is I'm going to show you how to use the bandsaw, okay, to cut them and turn them into a gusset like this, right? And this fills the area where you have a 90-degree tube into one of your mains, and it's required by some sanctioning bodies to have a gusset in there. What's acceptable usually is a plate gusset that is of the same wall thickness as the tube you're using. Basically, we start with a square on here. And as you can see, I've already marked this one. Just like that, it gives you an idea of where you're going to take the material. And then you're usually left with a little piece of web, and you just cut that out, and then you fit it into the corner real nice, like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so as you guys can see, these gussets are actually made to go right into these areas here. So what you do is you want to kind of fit them in there a little bit. That one does have a little bit of a wide spot right there. Oh, don't.